Wow, 15 broken hearts? Man. If this was the arcade and you had to put quarters in there, I'd be broke right now, but that's okay. Or we can watch ads to fix it. They're going to make me watch an ad. Make me watch an ad. Where's we doing the greeting grind? Come on, give me... Oh, they're not going to give me the opportunity? You want to see me sweat it out? That's fine with that. I'm fine with that. That's fine with that.
Oh,
Oh.
oh,
Oh. Oh. Au revoir. À bientôt. À bientôt. Later, dude. See you soon.
et,
Eh. That's that E tick.
et,
Eh. Alright. Eh. Bonjour, moi c'est Alice. Enchanté, Alice. Nice to meet ya. Bonne journée et à bientôt. This person is saying goodbye. À bientôt. Goodbye. Have a good day. Salut. No. Au revoir. Bonne journée. So, hey you. Au revoir. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're not gonna make any more mistakes, man. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Again.
bonjour. Bonjour Marie, enchantée.
Bonjour Marie, enchanté. I don't know how to spell enchanté, but type. Let's just do it. Bonjour. R. Bonjour Marie. Bonjour Marie, enchanté. Enchanted. Enchanté. I got it wrong. Oh! Whoa! Enchanté. The E with a ramp sounds like an A. I gotta remember that. Bonjour Marie, enchanté. Goodbye, have a good day. Au revoir, bonne journée. Au revoir, I'm tapping on it. Au revoir, bonne journée. Hello, Paul. Nice to meet you. Bonjour, Paul.
Bonjour, Paul.
Enchanté.
Enchanté.
Enchanté. Actually, that one sounds pretty good, that voice. That's a pretty good voice. I wish they'd use that more.
Au revoir, bonne journée.
First two, I guess. Au revoir. Bonne journée. So, good. Goodbye. Have a good day. Goodbye. Have a good day. Or have a great day, I would say, probably. Au revoir, bonne journée. Hello, welcome. Bienvenue. No, yeah, bonjour, bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Oh, that guy's really excited about that.
Bienvenue, Paul.
Bienvenue, Paul. Type the French you hear. Oh no. B-I-E-N. Oh, there it is. We can just tap that one. Bienvenue, Paul. Bienvenue. Venue. Bienvenue. Good venue.
À bientôt, Marie.
À bientôt, Marie. Bientôt. See you later, Mary, right? See you later, Marie. À bientôt, Marie. Did I spell it right? I can't see. Oh, come on! Come on, man. That was the same thing, man. See you later, Mary. What is the... Oh, look at this thing down here. You see that? What's that comment thing? Why is it not the same thing? See you later. À plus tard. See you soon. À bientôt. See you soon or see you later. Both is correct. Yeah. They can be used interchangeably, but no. They do not mean the same thing, and Duolingo marks it wrong if you use the wrong one. Yeah, I figured that one. My keyboard doesn't allow me to put accents, so it's marking my answers as incorrect. Aw. That would suck. Yeah, he's probably using the desktop version or something. Never place accents and capitals. All right, we have enough of that. Bientôt, Marie.
À bientôt, Marie.
See you soon. Bientôt, and see you later is à plus tard. Thank you, Michael Lemonade 123. Or sorry if I said that wrong. I'm just a little bit Frenched out here. My brain is swollen.
Bonjour. Bien.
I never listen.
Bonjour. Bienvenue.
Bonjour, bienvenue. I don't listen to the slow one because it doesn't make sense to me. That's not how people talk.
Bonjour. Bienvenue.
Bonjour, bienvenue. Type the French you hear. So, bonjour. How many hearts do I got left? This might be the end. Wait, go back. We gotta be flawless. What did she say?
Bonjour. Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Good venue. So, okay. Bonjour. B-I-E-N. Bienvenue. Oh, yeah, we got the little cheat thing. Bienvenue. All right. Welcome, Paul. Bienvenue, Paul. So, bienvenue, Paul. I type these things in so many times. It's like in my little, whatever you call that thing. What do you call that thing when you
À
push the
bientôt,
button?
Marie.
My brain is broken. I think I have to take a little lake. Jump into a lake after this. À bientôt, Marie.
À bientôt, Marie.
À bientôt, Marie. See you not later, but see you soon. See you soon, Marie. À bientôt, Marie. See you soon, Marie. À plus tard is to see you later. Wow. How do we survive that one? My mind is stressed out. That's a good thing though. It's just carving French into the walls of the edges of my skull.